Hey everyone, this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I have a really fun and easy recipe I'm going to show you how to make, and you can definitely get your kids involved. It is so simple to do. It's compound butter. I encourage you to use the highest quality ingredients you can possibly get, especially when it comes to the butter. Try to get pasture raised organic butter if you can, or from a local farmer. That's going to be really high quality and very nutritious for you. And there are so many ways you can make it or tweak it, but just have fun with it. This is just a basic recipe that I came up with, and we used it on our steaks for dinner that night and our other vegetables and sweet potatoes or regular potatoes. And it just really rounded out the steaks and the overall meal very nicely. So I encourage you to try it and get your kids involved in the kitchen with it. Let's jump right into it. Here are the ingredients you will need. You will need 2 sticks of high quality grass-fed butter, a handful of organic fresh parsley, 4 cloves of organic garlic, some organic paprika, and some Redmond real salt, or a high quality salt, and a food processor. And you will need to put those cloves of garlic into the food processor along with that handful of parsley first. Shut the food processor and go ahead and start blending it together until it has a nice minced or chopped consistency. Next, you will need to add the 2 sticks of butter, and I went ahead and cubed it really nicely so that it would blend much better. And I'm just trying to add it into different sections of the food processor again so it'll just blend nicely together. Don't waste any of that butter. Alright, it's all in, so I'm going to go ahead and blend it again. Until it is nice and smooth. And then I will add the remaining ingredients. I used about a 1/4 teaspoon of the Redmond real salt and 1/2 teaspoon of the paprika. It really did have a nice flavor. And then go ahead and blend it all over again until it is completely blended together. Here's the finished product. It tasted so delicious on our food. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for all notifications. Until next time, bye and bon appetit!